Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share my skincare routine with you guys, which is an anti-aging skincare routine. I do this at night and it includes retinol. So if you want to start using retinol, then please keep on watching. I'm not wearing any makeup, but still I like to double cleanse. For that I'm using this cleansing oil by Conscious Chemist. Double cleansing is a very important step. This cleansing oil is very affordable and it works beautifully, removes all the makeup or skincare effortlessly, and it does not sting my eyes. It is very gentle on the skin. After massaging, I add a little water to it to break down the oil. It turns into a milky texture. Then I just wash my face with this cleanser by Simple. Then comes the toner. I used to think that toners don't do much for the skin, but no, you need to choose the right product to see the difference. I am currently using this ginseng essence by Beauty of Joseon. It really hydrates my skin, does not feel heavy. It has a water-like consistency, so it absorbs quickly into the skin. Then I'm gonna use hyaluronic acid. This one is really affordable. You can get it from any pharmacy. Before applying retinol, we are gonna use all the products which are very soothing and gentle for the skin. Now it's time for our hero ingredient, that is retinol. This one is from Formula RX and I have started my retinol journey with this product. I'm just gonna take a pea size amount and dot it all over my face. Just make sure that your face is not wet before applying it. I've just massaged it and this is how it looks. It is a beginner friendly product. I've not experienced any purging from this, so that is amazing. After that, I'm gonna use an under eye cream. This one is by Minimalist. It contains retinol. I'm just gonna take a little bit and apply it under my eyes and massage it. It works really well for fine lines, wrinkles, and dark circles. I think this is the only under eye cream which is effective in this price range, so I really love it. After few minutes of the eye cream, I'm going to use a nice moisturizer with ceramides. This one is again by Formula RX. I also love the Dot and Key one, that is also good. This one is very moisturizing. I love the texture, does not make my face feel greasy or heavy. And ceramide based products helps to repair your skin barrier, so that is very important. After the moisturizer, I'm going to use a face oil. This is by BioCule. A face oil really helps to lock all the moisture and give you that glowing skin. After that, I use a lip balm, and here I have used Vaseline Lip Therapy. I just use whatever I feel like. And we are done. I hope this routine was helpful. If yes, then please like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to my channel. I will see you next time with a brand new video. Till then, bye bye, take care.